My name is Mikhail Ceza. On my left is my mother, who's about 100 by now, or even more. My son is probably gonna be 10 on November. We are from the Tuffield community area. The farm is Glendower Farm, which was inherited by my mother from the late grandfathers. I'm very grateful to have this opportunity with the TGI, Tuli Growth Initiative. The cattle are very, very beautiful. I'm so excited today, and I'm looking forward to multiply this number in the next 2 or 3 years. Then going forward, I would like to add more on this number of animals. And I'm so grateful to the First Rand Development Foundation for giving me this opportunity. Look, I'm probably 55. I've never ever, even my father, even my grandfather, never have this opportunity before to have this gift. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. I'm running about 80 head of cattle here, which some of them needs to move out to open a space for the Tuli. This farm is gonna be probably dedicated for the Tuli only. I've got another farm around King Williamstown. The other cattle will be moving next week to the other farm in King Williamstown. I've got a mix of Ngunis, Brahmans, the Angas that I was trying to build up ahead. But now they must give a space for the Tuli.
Enkosi ngekomo yabulela kunyanam mntanam ngenkomo Nkosi kakhulu